An estimate is only as good as the prices that go behind it. So before we start estimating anything, let's load your own rates in. Now you can do that by going into the settings, and under the schedule of rates, you'll find the ability to create your own schedule of rates that your estimates can look up from. Now there's two areas here. One is the rates and catalogs and the schedule of rates. The difference between these two is the rates and catalogs is used for creating purchase orders. It's to automatically complete purchase order line items, whereas the schedule of rates is used in your estimates and quotes for dropping in those lines that you enter in. Now we do have a rich database on the paperless side, so if you don't have these, it's perfectly fine to use ours, and then as your estimating matures, you start to build this out for your own individual use cases where maybe our pricing might be over or under your expectations. So one thing this bleeds into, and something that makes paperless very powerful, is when we start to get into the estimates, where I'll show you how you can start to bundle items together into assemblies. And those in our system are called recipes. Say you have a square meter of slab that already includes the concrete, the steel, the pump, and the labor. You build the recipe once and you drop that into an estimate, and all the details are going to come with that. The more you put in here up front in the schedule of rates, in the estimate features, the faster every quote gets. So you'll be pricing jobs in minutes instead of hours, and you'll stop leaving money on the table because you forgot a line item and you need to come back to it and adjust it later. Now, your price book is the foundation, and we're going to start building on that immediately after this.